जमीन बांटते फिरते हो आसमान बांटो तो माने, अलग किए इंसान बड़े परिंदे छाटो तो माने। जब पैदा हुआ था आदम तो क्या था? जब पैदा हुआ था आदम तो क्या था? हिंदू या मुसलमान? मजहब बताओ तो जान। नमस्ते भारतीयों, this is Nura Sarfraz Hussain from Standard 10th E, and as we are here for celebrating our 77th Independence Day, so as a responsible citizen, we pledge to take our nation forward upholding the ideals of democracy, equality and unity in diversity in honor of our freedom fighter. The word unity, just a five-letter word, right? But it holds a huge meaning that we all should know. Unity is the need of the hour, and in every country, if people are not united, then they will become weak alone, and then they will be facing a lot of problems. Unity is the need of hour, and always remember that if the people are not united, then they are facing a lot of problems. If a group of people is always greater than a person that is alone in all means. इसीलिए ही तो किसी शायर ने कहा है, अब कोई मजहब ऐसा भी चलाया जाए, अब कोई मजहब ऐसा भी चलाया जाए जिसमें एक इंसान को इंसान बनाया जाए. Sadly today, there is less unity among the people, and they are hell-bent on rising above one another. Many times we used to listen that there are many wars and battles that are being fought just for some reasons, religion, caste, color, that's it. Every day we come in news about the horrifying incidents of violent behavior, bloodshed, and many innocents lose their life. So yahi sahi time hai that we should remember ourselves that the maximum part of our age is known as unity. Let's make ourselves sensitive on this serious issue and free to resolve our motherland from violent and barbaric behavior ताकि हम गर्व के साथ दोबारा से